last clip is showing filming and audio, but somehow it just stopped. I don't know why. It said I had like 3 minutes and 30 seconds of filming, but only 1 minute and 48 seconds recorded audio and video. So got cut off back there. In any case, I'll just film a little bit of the view. Just a beautiful morning out. Fogs went away. And now we're down to about 20 minutes until we'll arrive at the Sam's Club. So we're in the town of Perry, Mississippi, or Beaumont, Mississippi area. This road is a highly traveled truck route. There's some towns when you get off of 65 that you go through in the beginning. But other than that, it's about 3/4 of just highway like this, 65 miles an hour. A couple traffic lights here and there, but not too bad. Tell you what, these gas prices really somebody's got to get a hold on to this, because these gas prices are just getting ridiculous. I mean, I think I paid yesterday $5.79. Maybe it was a little less than that because I was in Georgia. But I've seen prices $5.79 for diesel. I think the nationwide average for regular fuel right now is $4.71.
Alright, so we're at Hattiesburg, Sam's Club. I was trying to film when I got here, and Wi-Fi must not be that great, so long and short of it, I couldn't film coming in. So we're leaving now with our empty. We dropped off our load trailer now. Not our girl. You can tell sometimes. Any case, so we're heading out of here, heading back to Noonan, Georgia. Called my dispatcher. Well, I actually texted him. Told him to call me because I want to see if he can get a different load, because now, like I said, I'll be back in Noonan, Georgia tonight, but I'll have a load that won't be ready until Friday at the earliest 10 o'clock, which they're never on time. So I want to see if he can get me something else to bring into Florida. So I'm just going to check out here, and then we'll head on our way. Now it says connection not available, so this, I might not even have this filming. So if you're listening to me and you're watching the video, it's working. But if you don't see this, then of course it's not going through. It says connection is not available for some reason on my system here. Don't know why. I have a door open. Yeah, the door's open. Okay, thanks, sweetie. Alright, so I'm pull out here and close the door. Let's go past the stop sign here. I'll come back a second. So, I'll be back, folks.
Alright, so we're going to try this again. I don't know if that last clip filmed or not, but we dropped off our loaded trailer, picked up an empty, and I wasn't getting good Wi-Fi reception, so I apologize about that. And it's all because this area is just a little woodsy, so I guess I couldn't get good Wi-Fi reception between my phone and the camera. That's how this works. So a little foggy over here. It's real patchy here and there, but when it is patchy, I'll tell you what, it's really thick. So, but what I was trying to say before, if the clip doesn't work out, the last clip, I was basically saying I called my dispatch because the load that I'm supposed to pick up next is not supposed to be ready till Friday at 10 o'clock, and that's the earliest, and they're never on time. So long and short of it, I want to see if he can get me something else to get me into Florida, whether it be another Kellogg's load or even something else, doesn't matter to me, because it's only Wednesday, and I'll be back in Noonan today by, let's see what time it says here, 4:08. So it leaves me a long time till Friday to pick up the load, which, like I said, and I'll say it again, Kellogg's is never on time. So when they say 10 o'clock, it could mean end of day. And the weird thing is it's supposed to deliver Friday night, so they're not giving a lot of time at all. Basically saying it'll be loaded by 10, and they want me to deliver by 8 o'clock in Lakeland, which is 10 hours from that specific point. But it takes 8.5 to 9 hours, especially on a Friday. So that's cutting it way too close because you get a lot of traffic coming through Ocala. So I'm going to wait for him to call and see what he's got. But for now, not much way to film here, but just some fog. So we're going to connect up here onto 98. This is actually 49 right here, State Route 49 in Hattiesburg. And then we'll pick up 98, which is what we came in on, and we'll take that back out again through 65 to 85. So I'll catch back up with you folks down the road. If anything happens that I see I want to film, show you, whatever, I'll do that. If not, we'll catch back up when we get to Kellogg's. And I did find the hat strap, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. Hopefully by the time I get back there, I won't be able to do it between now and then, but when I get back there, I'll hook the strap up, and then we'll start filming the hat cam. So stay tuned for that, folks. So I will see you soon. So this is in the area of Mobile, Alabama. So it's basically the north side of 65 of Mobile. It's a little town, I guess this is how do you say that? Semmes? Semmes, Alabama. This little small town we go through before we get on to 65, which is about 10 miles. Usually we go through a town called Griffin on 16 when we leave Noonan, but we're coming back from Hattiesburg, so this is the fastest way. It says you take 98 here over to 65 and 65 to 85, and then Noonan's right there off 85. I guess school's still in because I've seen the school crossing signs and everything, and the speed limit signs for schools. So I guess they're still open down here. Where I'm at in Florida, they were out last Friday. Actually, last Thursday. Almost a week ago. The speed limit has changed so much on this road. It goes from 55 to 45 to 35 to 55 then to 35. It just keeps bouncing back and forth. You just really gotta watch your signs on this road. And they don't change sometimes like you think, like 55 to 45. Sometimes it goes 55 then 35, then it goes to 45, and it's kind of backwards in some spots. So you really got to pay attention on this road. So now our expected time, it says 3:45. It was 4 o'clock. Now it's 3:45. So earlier in this video, I did a clip. I don't know if it came out or not, but I was talking about how I had 11 hours as of this morning and said it was going to take to do a round trip going from the Loves I was at down to here, then back up to Noonan, and then I gained actually 15 minutes when I came here. So I figured I'll gain 15 minutes back, and I am, it seems like. So this trip should only be about 10 and a half hours round trip. So that's basically a day's driving, as much as you can do really in a day. Can't go over 11 hours. So I did talk to my dispatcher, and he is trying to find something for me. Basically, he's just going to wait till I get up to the shipper to see if anything has come up, because he didn't have anything right now. He was trying to maybe do something where I take a backhaul out of Gadsden, Alabama, but that's kind of far north, and that'll cut down my hours to get back to the shipper, which is Kellogg. So that might mess me up getting back for Friday. So long story short, I just told him just keep me on what he has, and unless something pops up from Kellogg's, but I'll just ride her out till Friday. So like I always say, hope everybody's having a good day, and if you're new to the channel and you like the channel, please smash that subscribe button in the bottom right corner, and also click on the bell that alerts you of any future videos. And also please add in the comments anything you want me to talk about, videotape, anything. I'm looking for requests, because sometimes just driving, especially I'm on a dedicated route, it's a lot of the same things. So I try to film different places on the route I go, not the whole thing, of course, unless you guys want to sit there and watch a 9 to 10 hour video. I wouldn't. So I don't think I didn't film this before, and I think about it, but so I thought I'd just film through here. But if there's anything you want me to talk about, go over about getting your CDL, the trucking world, anything you want to know about getting in the business, just let me know. I put some videos out in the past you guys can look back through. If you ever wanted to get started, I kind of did a rant about how to get started to see if it's, a life for you, because in the trucking world, it's a whole different world. It's not an 8 to 5 job. So I did some videos on that. But if you have any specific questions, please feel free to put that down in the comments, and I do answer everybody's questions. I do respond back within 24 hours, if not sooner, on comments. So, please feel free to ask me questions. And that's about it for now. We're going to connect on to 65 down here real shortly. And then if anything else comes up, I'll film it. If not, I'll catch you back, guys. Oh, excuse me. Can't even speak. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. So see you soon. Alright, so looks like got a little minor fender bender here or something. I'm not sure what happened. We slowed down here a little bit. Not sure what happened. Probably they rear-ended somebody, probably. Yeah, it's got to be it. Somebody probably going too fast again. Somebody probably cut somebody over, probably slammed their brakes on, so gotta be careful out there, folks.